Welcome back, tech enthusiasts and math aficionados, to another captivating episode of TechNation. Today we're diving headfirst into the intriguing world of numbers, as we explore one of the most enigmatic digits in the mathematical realm, the infamous number 13. It's a number that has sparked superstitions, intrigued mathematicians, and found its way into countless historical anecdotes. Join us on this exciting journey as we unravel the mysteries of the number 13 and discover the surprising and sometimes unexpected ways it influences our world. So if you've ever wondered why some people dread Friday the 13th, or why 13 is considered lucky in certain cultures, you're in for a treat. Get ready to unlock the secrets of this numerical enigma right here on TechNation. Triskaidekaphobia is the fear of the number 13, and it has deep historical roots. One theory suggests that the superstitions surrounding 13 can be traced back to ancient Mesopotamia, where the number 12 was considered a symbol of completeness and harmony, while 13 was seen as irregular and a source of fear. In some cultures, 12 was associated with the number of lunar cycles in a year, which was seen as auspicious, while 13 was seen as an aberration. Friday the 13th is often considered an especially unlucky day, with many people avoiding important activities or decisions. Some avoid seating 13 guests at a dinner table, believing it brings bad luck or foretells the death of one of the diners. Buildings often skip the 13th floor, going directly from 12 to 14 in elevator numbering. In tarot cards, the 13th card of the major arcana is often associated with death or transformation. The superstition surrounding Friday the 13th has multiple origins. One possible source is Christian beliefs. Some Christians believe that Friday was the day on which Jesus was crucified, and there were 13 individuals present at the Last Supper, including Judas Iscariot, the betrayer of Jesus. Combining the day of crucifixion, Friday, with the number 13 was seen as a particularly ominous combination. The fear of Friday the 13th is still prevalent today, with some people avoiding important events like weddings, travel, or business deals on this day. The fear has also permeated popular culture, leading to the creation of the Friday the 13th horror movie franchise. Many hotels and airlines see a drop in bookings on Friday the 13th due to superstitions. In Norse mythology, there is a famous tale involving the number 13. At a banquet in Valhalla, the Norse gods were enjoying themselves, with 12 guests in attendance. Loki, the trickster god, crashed the party uninvited, becoming the 13th guest. This act of chaos and disruption was believed to have brought misfortune and turmoil. Beyond Norse mythology, various cultures have their own tales and beliefs surrounding the number 13. Some cultures associate 13 with bad luck, while others see it as a symbol of protection or transformation. These stories and beliefs continue to shape cultural attitudes toward the number 13 today. According to the New Testament, the Last Supper was a significant event in Christianity, where Jesus shared a final meal with his disciples before his crucifixion. During the Last Supper, there were 13 individuals present, with Jesus and his 12 disciples. Judas Iscariot, one of the disciples, is often referred to as the 13th guest. It was during this event that Judas Iscariot infamously betrayed Jesus to the religious authorities for 30 pieces of silver. This act of betrayal led to Jesus' arrest and eventual crucifixion. In religious and historical contexts, the presence of 13 at the Last Supper is often interpreted as symbolizing betrayal and disloyalty. The negative symbolism associated with 13 has influenced cultural beliefs and superstitions, contributing to the fear of Friday the 13th and the avoidance of the number in various aspects of life. Some may emphasize its negative associations, while others may focus on its positive aspects mentioned in other biblical passages. The number 13 appears in various mathematical equations and formulas across different scientific disciplines. In physics, the Bohr model of the atom introduces the concept of energy levels, with electrons occupying different energy levels, often labeled with quantum numbers like n/1, n/2, and so on. In geometry, the number 13 can appear in calculations related to polygons, angles, and shapes. In statistics, the concept of the standard normal distribution involves the square root of 13. The term baker's dozen refers to a group of 13 items instead of the usual 12. Its origin can be traced back to medieval England when bakers were subject to strict regulations. To ensure fairness and avoid accusations of shortchanging customers, bakers would often add an extra item to a dozen, making it a baker's dozen. In the culinary world, a baker's dozen is a common practice, particularly in the baking of items like bread, pastries, and bagels. Providing 13 items instead of 12 ensures that customers receive a little extra, which can be a sign of good service. The practice of a baker's dozen continues today in many bakeries and food establishments. Srinivasa Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician who made significant contributions to number theory, mathematical analysis, and infinite series. His work, often done in isolation, produced numerous groundbreaking results and formulas. Ramanujan's life and work have inspired mathematicians and continue to be a subject of study and admiration. Ramanujan made many mysterious and unexplained claims and formulas related to various mathematical constants and functions. Some of his conjectures involve the number 13 and its intriguing relationships with other mathematical entities. Ramanujan's work has had a lasting impact on the field of mathematics, with many of his conjectures still being studied and explored by mathematicians today. His insights into number theory, infinite series, and mathematical functions have paved the way for new discoveries and mathematical advancements. And there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the mysteries of the number 13, from ancient superstitions to mathematical enigmas, from the Last Supper to baker's dozens, and the enduring influence of Srinivasa Ramanujan. We've explored it all. It's clear that the number 13 is more than just a digit. It's a symbol of fascination, fear, and discovery. But our exploration doesn't end here. There's so much more to uncover in the world of technology, science, and mathematics. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, be sure to hit that like button. Share this video with your curious friends, and don't forget to subscribe to TechNation for more mind-bending explorations. Remember, the mysteries of the universe are waiting to be unraveled, and together, we'll keep delving deeper into the fascinating realms of knowledge and discovery. Stay curious, stay inspired, and let's keep exploring together. See you in the next adventure.